Okay, today I will show you how to replace the screen on an Aspire 1 model D255E, which is a pretty common model. That's a fairly easy procedure. Just need a screwdriver, plastic card, and that's fairly easy to do within half an hour maximum. So the first thing you have to do is to remove, of course, the battery. Okay, to access the screen you have to remove the front plastic frame, which is attached to the back cover by two screws on the bottom of it, which are hidden under rubber plugs. So make sure you remove those plugs and put it in a safe place. And you will have then to remove the two screws, which are Phillips screws. Okay, now it's time to remove the plastic frame. To access the screen, just use a plastic card like any credit cards. Just slip them underneath the frame, starting with the bottom part first, and you will hear some clicks, and it will gradually come off. So, and then you can go on each side and continue the operation. That's fairly easy. That's not hard to remove. You won't break anything, that's for sure. Now you go slowly toward the hinges, and that's it. It's been removed. Now to remove the screen, you gotta take off those four screws, which are Phillips screws, and then you'll be ready to remove the screen. Okay, now the only tricky part. You have to remove the screen, but the cable which brings the signal to the webcam and microphone has been taped on the back of the screen with a masking tape, so you gotta be very careful when you're removing the screen. I use a plastic card. You can use maybe a screwdriver, flat screwdriver to remove the tape, but then again, it's the only thing that may cause a little problem. You don't want to break this cable. Okay, now plug the main connector. That's it. Okay, now here's the new screen. Just put it back there. Attach the main display cable back. Okay, make sure the webcam cable is flat, and it will stick on the back of the screen automatically. Now put the four screws back on. Okay, now it's time to put back the front frame. You gotta open as wide as possible the netbook to have access to those hinges, and then place the frame back starting at the hinges. Press firmly on both sides and then the middle, and on each sides where you will hear clicks, and on the top, and the frame is back on. So you now have to put back those two Phillips screws and of course the rubber plugs. Now it's time to put the battery back on, and that's it. You have a brand new screen ready to use. Thanks for watching this video.